Hi there, Chris here taking a look at DuPont symbol DD. Okay, so here's what I was looking at, and I was looking at it since this morning. DuPont, they fall in the materials sector. Specifically, they are a chemical producer. And, you know, I'm going to be 100% honest with you, I got caught up in this morning. Let's take a look at this. You see this giant white line right here? At the open, due to some new news coming out about a potential lawsuit settlement with Monsanto's symbol MON on some like patent infringements and those sorts of things, it opened up about at $52. So I was waiting for a pullback, and I got in probably around right there where I put the arrow, and then it kept going down and I got stopped out. Since then, it keeps going down and it keeps going down, and now what was a breakout from, like, I thought this was a descending triangle right here, and it is still a descending triangle. I thought it was a breakout above this green trend line right here, but apparently it was false. My price target at the time was all the way up at 57 for this trade, or at least for a short-term thing. I wasn't expecting to get that high, but anyway, so now it's come down and it's back into the pattern, and the breakout has essentially been invalidated. So this pattern right here, this entire candle, this in Japanese candlestick terminology would be called a gravestone. A gravestone, or you could also call it a shooting star. So essentially, when you see one of these candles and you see it with such high volume, that basically means that everybody got caught up in the bullishness today, and they just kept clamoring to buy and buy and buy, especially at the open, but there wasn't enough buying pressure to overcome the selling pressure. So that is generally noted then as a bearish reversal pattern. So this is how you can actually trade it. The actual pattern, it's part of the materials sector, which I am actually short too right now. I know in hindsight it looks like a pretty dumb trade to be buying DuPont, but they're in the materials sector. So the materials sector, they are generally one of the worst performers in a bear market, and they have right now this huge consolidation right here that is giving us a price target of about, where is it? Let's just say around $20 if it breaks down. So if that breaks down, then DuPont, which is a large component in the ETF, should also break down. So our initial target for this breakdown would be, first we need the price to close below 46.36 or 46.25, thereabouts. And then to get our price target, we take the height of the pattern and we project it downward, and that gives us a price target down around $39 to $40. So there's plenty of room on this. But now, seeing this huge candlestick pattern with this volume spike, you could start initiating the trade right now. So what you can do, you can say, let's start with a half position. So let's say it's at about 49.82 right now. So we'll just say let's short it right now. So we'll just say 49.80. So we short it right now, and we're going to place a very tight stop. So let's just say we're going to place our stop. What's the high of this day right here? So we're just going to do a stop at like 50.25. So, or if you can take a little more than that, maybe up at like 51. But I'll just leave it there. So you do a half position right here, and then you wait. And if it eventually does break through this bottom bound, then you pyramid. So you do short the first half up here, and then you short the second half right here, and then you basically have profits from here to here to take any losses that might be from when you shorted here, and by the time you get to 39 bucks, you're going to be rich. So great opportunity to do a pyramid trade, especially with this volume spike today. I can't believe I got caught up in it, but now after seeing this, what has happened, looks like a good bearish setup. All right, thanks for watching.